Live from the Sunshine Fire. There's a Black Hawk in the background dropping off. And here comes another one in. They are burning and turning as fast as they can, trying to get a handle on this fire.
Lining up to fill up. Beaver Dam. Thank God for beavers.
Here they're coming back in again. There's one taking off, there's one coming back in. It's not taking them very long to fill them buckets, drop them in the water, and be on their way to drop another load. You can see the smoke in the background. Already hear them coming back again. Looks like about every minute they're picking up a bucket, loading it, and dropping it. Here it comes in again. These pallets are amazing. They're just getting her done. So I'm not sure whether they have 2 or 3 Black Hawks, because there's another one. There's one loading right now, and there's another one. You can see he's dropping right there, right in front of us. And I can see the wind down there at the bottom of the hill. So one's still loading. So they're burning and turning as quick as they possibly can. They're coming in here and loading up water as quick as they can and dumping it. Here comes another Black Hawk. There's another one in the background. They're just coming in and dumping and going. See the smoke right up ahead of us. Fire's probably, I would say, maybe half mile away, if that. Here the helicopter's loaded up, getting ready to go take off. Seems like they're getting a pretty good grasp on this fire, but they are just going as fast as you can see. They're just coming in, loading up and dumping.